PDFs are a great way to communicate with clients and customers, but only if they actually get opened and read. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Flipsnack to take a PDF that you have designed in Canva and turn it into an interactive, trackable flipbook that people actually engage with. Without further ado, let's hop in. Thanks so much to Flipsnack for sponsoring this video. What is Flipsnack? Flipsnack is a platform that turns your existing PDFs into interactive page-flipping digital experiences. It's perfect for taking documents like a brochure, proposal, report, and catalog, and upgrading them into something people actually engage with instead of just scrolling past. People want more than something that's just well-designed. They're looking for digital experiences, and marketers are using interactive data to better understand how people engage with their content online. Flipsnack is used by global brands like Estee Lauder, Pandora, and Electrolux, as well as freelancers and small businesses. The idea is simple. Take a PDF you've already created in Canva and use Flipsnack to bring it to life. When I want to create a PDF resource or guide, I start by typing workbook into Canva's template search bar. I usually choose one that's formatted for 8.5 by 11 inches in case someone wants to print it, and then I customize it from there. You can also combine templates once you're inside your design, so don't feel like you're limited to just one layout. When you're finished, click Share, Download, choose PDF Standard, and export your file since the primary use for this PDF will be digital. Step 1. Upload your PDF. Now that you've got your PDF ready, head over to Flipsnack and upload your file. This could be a proposal, brochure, report, or any client deliverable you've already created. Once it's uploaded, it instantly becomes a flipbook experience. From there, head into the customized dashboard to start building it out. Step 2. Customize and brand it. This is where you make your flipbook feel like an extension of your brand instead of just another disconnected document. You can adjust colors, add your logo, and customize the overall look and feel. You can even customize the progress bar color to match your branding, which is a really nice touch. Flipsnack also lets you choose how your pages transition, so you can have them flip like a magazine, slide between pages, or scroll continuously. Whether you want the feel of a printed publication or a more modern scrolling experience, you get to choose what's best for your audience. This is especially helpful if you're regularly sending proposals, reports, or other marketing materials. Step 3. Add interactivity. One of my favorite features is that you can actually add interactive elements directly inside your PDF. If you click on Edit from the Customize menu, Flipsnack takes you directly into the Design Studio. This is where you can really bring your flipbook to life by adding links, buttons, videos, slideshows, and even lead capture forms. So instead of people simply reading your document, they can actually click, watch, and engage with it. For example, someone could book a call directly from your proposal, or they could watch an embedded video that explains your services or walks them through your offer. Step 4. Share anywhere. Once your flipbook is ready, sharing it is really easy. You can send a direct link, embed it on your website, or generate a QR code right inside Flipsnack. If you're sending proposals, you may even want to create individual tracking links so you can see exactly when someone opens your proposal and how they interact with it. That gives you valuable information for following up at just the right time. You can also choose whether your flipbook is public, unlisted, or private, and if needed, you can even password protect it. If you ever need to update your content later, your existing link stays the same, so you can keep everything current without sending a brand new link. Step 5. Data and analytics. The analytics are one of the things that really help Flipsnack stand out. Inside your dashboard, you'll be able to see views, clicks, time spent, and page-by-page engagement. So if someone spends several minutes looking at your pricing page, you'll know exactly what captured their attention. You can also view location data and get a better understanding of your overall audience behavior. Plus, Flipsnack includes AI insights that summarize your Flipbook's performance and even provides suggestions for improving engagement. So instead of sending static PDFs and just hoping someone reads it, use Flipsnack to create a document that's interactive and trackable. It's still your content, but now you've turned it into an engaging digital experience, and you'll have the analytics to understand exactly how people are interacting with it. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you'd like to get started with Flipsnack for free, just visit lashondabrown.com/Flipsnack. Until next time, ta-ta for now.